Hey, what's up TECH-N-A.I fam? Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the incredible world of technology and artificial intelligence. I'm your host, your guide on this journey through the latest in tech innovations, AI advancements, and all things futuristic. In today's episode, we've got some exciting topics lined up that you won't want to miss. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an AI aficionado, or just curious about the future, you're in the right place. So, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started with today's tech and AI adventure. First, we're going to start off with a tool called Visily.ai. With this tool, you can quickly transform an image like a screenshot or a template into a design that you can customize. So just create a free account, then click on blank and pick a design mode from here. If you want to edit UI designs, you can choose this one. Or if you want to edit your sketch layout or app flows, you can choose this. Since I want to replicate the homepage design and edit it, sign up in this website. Sign up with Google. Continue. Wait for some time, it is loading. Okay, here are some options are there. For teaching and learning purpose and fourth YouTube video. Now open the hi-fi design and click on screenshot to wireframe and upload screenshot. Now upload any screenshot if you have, or just open a website to take screenshot from it. So I'm opening second website. Okay, from this website choose any design you like. Let's see, can I find some good design? This design is looking good. By snipping tools, take the screenshot of this image. Snipping is done. Now save it. Now open the previous website and upload the screenshot and upload the respected file. Now it is here, so now we can edit the elements on it. So now let some sentences here, so no time to let replace it. The state became a master of design. And you can edit the lower portion text also. And now I can replace this image also, so by tapping the image option you can upload any image you like. Another option is Magic Image Find Similar Image. And here are stock image available, so you can choose any one out of them. Let's choose this one, the coffee mug. Now it is done. Now download it. Go to download it by any of this format: Figma, PDF, PNG, or JPG. Now export it in the PNG format. Now it is done. Download and let's open it. Okay, it is looking good and with high quality of picture. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and now you know how to convert any screenshot to an editable file format using this amazing software. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, TECH-N-A.I, for more exciting content on technology and AI. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech and AI. See you in the next video.